Hello class 5, welcome to Erudite School of Learning. So now in last class we were doing exercise 2.2 first question, okay? And this whole chapter is just a revision of your previous classes, okay? It's very easy, addition and subtraction we were pursuing. So we have solved the 6th question in our last class and we were on 7th question. So let's proceed with it. Now clearly here this is minus sign which represents that we have to do subtraction. Okay, so we start doing subtraction from rightmost side or from backwards. Okay, so 1 is less than 2, so we can't subtract 2 from 1. So what we do, basically this 1 will borrow a 1 from 2. So this means 2 will become 1 and this 1 will become 11. Okay, now in subtraction what we do, we count just after, from just after the less number, and we from a smaller number we count just after a smaller number and we go through till the greater one. Okay, so we count after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Till 11 we have to count. Okay, so the total number of lines now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is how we do subtraction. Okay, so what we have got, 9 here, so which means 11 minus 2 will be 9. Okay, now again the same problem, 7, we can't subtract 7 from 1, so what this 1 will ask from 4, please give me your 1. So this 4 will become 3 and now this 1 will become 11. Okay, so basically now we have to subtract 7 from 11. Okay, so now we count after 7 till 11. So just after 7 what comes, 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. We've got 11 here, so now we have to count the number of lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time we have got 11 minus 7, 4. Okay, and then 3 minus 3, the same number. When we subtract same number from same number, we know we get 0 every time. And 9 minus 8, right, we have to count after 8 till 9. So 8 after 8 what comes, 9. So 9 have come on the first line, so this means 9 minus 8 will be 1. So our final answer will be 1049. So this is such a easy subtraction. Now we are in 5th class, we should know how to subtract 4 numbers. Now again the same situation, what we have got here, this time again 2 1, here also 2 1. So again we'll ask from this 2, please give me your 1. This 2 will become 1 and this 1 will become 11, and thereafter we just need to count after 2 and we'll count till 11. Okay, so after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here comes your 11, so we have to count till this line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this means when we subtract 11 from 2, we get 9. We already done the same thing here in this question. Okay, the same thing we have repeated here. Again this one, we can't subtract 7 from 1, so what this 1 will ask to 5, that please give me your 1. When this 5 will give his 1, it will become, when this 5 will give its 1, it will become 4, and this 1 will become 11. Okay, so now we can subtract 7 from this 11, what we have got in our last question, 4. So again you can count on your fingers, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which means the number of lines will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it will become now 4. Now 4 minus 3, what we got, 1. Easy. And again when we subtract 7 from 8, we'll get 1. So total will become 1149. Okay, so there we go. Now your second question class is very, this time you are given a language form and you have to just add them. For example, your first question is 8725 and 907. You need to both these numbers to be added. Okay, so basically we need to add both numbers. What we do, we'll write one beneath the second. So here's your 8725, which is a 4-digit number, and 3-digit number we have written just beneath it. Okay, this way ones digit will comes just down below the ones digit, then tens digit will come just down below the tens digit, and the hundreds digit will come just down below the hundreds digit. Okay, so now basically we need to do only addition, which means we need to count a smaller number, which is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this means, and what we do in addition, we just count after the greater number. So here greater number is 7, so we just count after that 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which means 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. We'll just put 1 on the carry, and this 2 will come here. Okay, easy. Now again we need to do just 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 we know it will become 3. Okay, in our basic max class I had made you know this trick that when we add any number in 9, we just subtract 1 and we know the result, and putting 1 in the left side we get the result. For example, 9 plus 7 is equals to, it will be 16. 9 plus 5 will be is equals to 14. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12, because 2 comes before 3, that's why 9 plus 3 12. Okay, then also for those who don't know the trick, we just count here 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here your 7, and we count after greater number, which is 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So 16, the 1 of 16 will go up in the carry, and 6 will write down here. Okay, now here just we need to add only two numbers, which are 8 and 1. So 8 plus 1, easy, 9. This is, in 4th class we have learned that whenever we add a 1 to any number, we get just a successor. Okay, so 9 is successor of 8, that's why 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So our final answer will be 9632. Okay, now these numbers get repeatedly again and again. You will see these in your life very often. So this 7 plus 5, you just cram it. The 7 plus 5 is always equals to 12. Okay, so that's, we don't need to count it every time. So these numbers, these particular numbers like 6 plus 5, 7 plus 5, you should know. So 7 plus 5 basically is 12. So 1 will write over here and 2 over here. Okay, now here we need to do 6 plus 0 will be 6 only, because 0 means nothing. So 6 plus 1 here will become 7. Then after 8 plus 1, this means we need to write the successor of 8, 9. Then 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, that's it. Now your third question is in language form. We need to add 3 numbers this time. Okay, there's this one. The first one is 5113, second one is 1999, and third one is 638. So basically we'll just write one by one over here. Now you should know where you have to put that specific digit below which number. Okay, like if this is a 3-digit, it's a 3-digit number, and you should put this 8 over here, 3 over in tens place, and this 6 in its 100 place. Okay, this you should know. बच्चों, अगर एक 4 डिजिट का नंबर है और एक 3 डिजिट का नंबर है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपको वंस की प्लेस के नीचे, वंस की लास्ट का जो डिजिट होता है 638 का, 8 किसके नीचे आना चाहिए? वंस वाले के नीचे। 3 टेंस का डिजिट है तो टेंस वाले डिजिट के नीचे आना चाहिए, ठीक है, और हंड्रेड्स वाला 100 के नीचे। आपको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है कि 6 यहाँ लिख दो, 3 यहाँ लिख दो, यहाँ 8 लिख दो, तो गलत हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो आपको ये चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है, पीछे की सारी प्लेसेस फिल हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है। सो अगेन नाउ वी जस्ट नीड टू ऐड दिस टाइम 3 numbers together. Okay, so what we do here, 9 plus 3 first of all will do, because 3 is so easy. So 1, 2, 3, so we have to count after 9. So 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so 9 plus 3 will become 12, and 12 plus 8, if you just count 8 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 comes here, and 9 plus 3 is 12, so we need to count after 12. So after 12 what we get? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. A very easy addition. So 20 was the output, and we write this 2 on the carry and 0 in below it. Okay, now 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 plus 3, 6. So try to figure out some quickie numbers which can give you the results faster, so that your sum becomes easy. So this you need to figure out is how you actually get to add any number any combination of numbers. Okay, so whatever combination you choose, you should have, and this comes from a practice. Okay, as much as you do the practice, you will come to figure out as which number you should add at first, so that your addition becomes easy. So like in this addition, what I do, I just add 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, I know it will become 10, and after 10 it will be easy for me to add this 2 and 3. So 10 plus 2 I know 12, and 12 plus 3 I know 15. Okay, so these quick additions now you should perform on your, which now we should skip this finger counting also, unless and until we have we are not good at addition. So 10, 12, 15, so 15 will come here, 1 over here, and 5 over here. Okay, now again 1 plus 1 2, and 2 plus 6 8, and the trick is 9 plus 8 will be 6 17, because if we subtract add 1 from 8, then it will become 7. So it's a tricky addition with 9 always, which I actually taught in your basic math series also. So anyways, those who don't know it, they just can simply add them. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, and then 11, after 11 we have to add 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after 11 we need to count 12 13 14 15 16 17. So this 17, the 1 of 17 will come here, and 7 will come here, and then after it's very easy. 5 plus 1 6, and 6 plus 1 7. Okay, when we need to add 1, it's just we need to tell the successor of that number. Now the last question, a very easy one. Okay, again plus sign, so we need to do addition. 9 plus 1 10, which means 1 will come here in the carry, and 0 will come here. Okay, again 9 plus 1 10, again the 1 will go in the carry and 0 will come below. Then again 9 plus 1 10, so 1 will come here and 0 will go down below. And now 8 plus 1 9, and 9 plus 1 10, so that means this 0 of 10 and 1 combined it. So our final answer will be 10,000. Okay, so basically your first 3 chapters, again I'm saying, is just a revision of your previous day classes, so it's nothing much complex or hard about it. Okay, but those who are weak in addition or subtraction, that should practice it more and more. Otherwise the basic maths classes are already online on your Erudite channel. You are always free to watch them. And so in our next class we'll proceed with this third question of exercise 2.2. Okay, so these all questions you need to do in your notebook, and this classwork date, all the formalities should be filled by you. In our next class we'll take on from this third question, which is subtraction. Okay, so till then, goodbye all of you.